The fan?
Yeah. No, there's something in the vent or something. I don't know. It's been doing that for the past couple hours. Just woke up.
Holy crap.